主要看你们的那个Unity 的版本，就是正常是2020，就是如果你都用一样，你可能比较不会有问题。所以现在老师用2020 3月。
And package manager last time used this one minus inside because we take out from you already download the Oculus integration SDK.
这个是我们之前就有下载的，然后它就会在你里面，你就不用每次都去。
This was 3.9. Now is
那这个要更新的新版本，所以最近就是 Meta 一直在改变。
应该不用再 download new version 了吧？
对。
是要吗还是不要
Okay, after downloading now, new version is 46.
这个部分。So you already want to download new?
Go to the she already have, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
已经可以了就不用。
OK。
Yeah.
就可以去更新了。
Oculus integration. Last time you downloaded.
I hope
No, his Unity help is it just 你要工作管理员。
That is my window? Oh, okay.
Yes, you are streaming.
Even you double click, then if you are already logging, where is it? Ability already there? Already? Then you can double click that what you download. It's also another way. I did it from the asset store, but you already download from Oculus site. Then you go to the download folder. Double click, then it will ask to import the currency. We can say.
它是有配什么？它是一定要那个版本20，因为我是30。你如果进去以后可以看到看到那个这个 Oculus 的东西的话就不用。对，就是现在就是开始。你前面你之前有拍过Unity的东西？好像有，可是因为不在这台。
I think they will take another 1 year. Oculus still take 1 year, I think, to make a very stable.
Very stable one. They are these. The Fighter 2 have a change.
The software change, operating system. You mean Quest 2 Pro? Pro? Oh, this is Quest 2.
Yeah, Fighter 2 have a new
Post to Pro. I think change. Yeah. You're making your own one here. It's great. Okay.
That whole life is your screen.
This is my screen.
I'm recording.
Okay.
This one, okay, if I say import, okay, he will show these messages. We see.
再跟你要一段线的，因为我是这是连下去。
Okay, after importing this one, definitely they will give you a few messages. Okay, one of message need to be careful. Okay, he asked to delete some old data, package data. You have to say no. You don't need to do that. Okay, wait a moment. I will show you.
现在那个地方要很小心，因为他会这样问你要不要把旧的东西移掉，然后千万不要移那个地方。
After basic things finish, let's try to make the game. Everyone make like a Tsumiki game. Tsumiki, like a arranging game. Let's try to make everyone very different. First project we can make like a Tsumiki game. You know Tsumiki.
所以我们等一下就是如果建完了，我们大家可以来每个人做一个游戏。
我是妹子。
是这种堆积木的游戏。
哦。
就是木头，就是普通积木。
乐高。
For target about the kids, kind of like we can make the tiny inside space, then you can put the right place. Okay, let's make some game for our first project.
所以你们第一个任务就是你要做一个这样的游戏，可以做积木，然后给小孩子去堆。
Because we miss 2 lessons already. We need to arrange the 2 makeup lesson. We already missed 2 weeks, 2 times.
No matter.
Then we can make in Friday. Friday you guys go back home or no?
No.
Stay here Friday.
Yes. I go home.
You go home.
Yeah.
You go home. Where?
台中。
台中。
同乡人。
Maybe next Sunday, next Monday night.
Next Sunday, I can keep here.
This Friday?
No.
Next
Yeah.
next Friday. Okay. Then we can do next week. Next Monday night we meet. Tuesday night we meet regular class. Then Friday, then 3 times.
Oh.
Then next week we can fully finish our project.
Okay.
Okay.
And Monday.
Next week
Yeah.
we have a workshop.
Oh,
Monday,
No.
Tuesday. Tuesday is
and Thursday. 3 days.
Tuesday night we don't have.
But
But I need
you
to take it to
eat everything.
We can move later.
等等再说日本。太开好了。
This
对
one,
啊。
he will ask the OBR plugin. Okay. Normally he said, could you go and download this one? Yes, because OBR plugin means our hand headset on the Oculus plugin for tracking all of the stuff, right? The head, hand, and controller. This one you can say 可以 no problem.
所以第一个你可以说好，我要去下载那个 Oculus。
And OpenEXR is a backend, okay? OpenXR. Then you have to say okay.
然后第二个是 OpenX 啊，你也要说可以，好要用。
And he asks the restart.
然后你要重开。
This is the important thing, okay? Then this one is going to some interaction SDK, some files already, updated. He asks you to delete the clean up, okay? Don't clean up this one. Don't ask it
这
again.
个要注意啊，就是你不要去重新清除，然后你要选那个不要再问我了，就是选 no， 然后不要再问我。
Here it is close. And this one about the partialization. This one is about the audio. Okay, you can update.
然后这个你也去更新， 然
Restart.
后再重开。
Okay, now you already here after downloading you already have this folder, okay?
这时候你就有这个资料夹。
Then before do anything, number one is inside in here project. Okay, number one is inside the project. This one need to change it for the Android. That's the number one.
你知道 Field 的 setting 这边一定要改成
Switch platform to Android.
变成 Enjoy，
That's
然
the
后按那
number
个
one.
Switch。
And Android normally work with low detail graphics. Therefore, textures they use the compression. Texture normally they compress to down the data size. Okay.
知道 Enjoy 就是他们的一些资料夹都是压缩的，这样才可以减少它的容量。
Sound weird? Surprise.
我在下载。
Yeah.
到哪里？我在下载。要 Switch 里面。这边有了。这个新版本。啊，是 Android 里面。
是要recording。你说刚才那个然后呢？但是我不会的，因为刚是老板。
Okay, until he downloading, I can put something different like meta is now we have a new app.
走在飞机头。那怎么在？是不是那个？你说
Oculus。
这里要
你的麦那种 package manager。Windows。
Yeah, this one. Now we have a new app. Until this one downloading, I can go this. MetaQuest mixed reality casting. Okay, we have now mixed reality casting MetaQuest.
它现在有个功能，就是可以用按拿的方式，然后去使用。
This one, mixed reality capture and casting guide. Okay.
它是可以让你穿，就是手。Press to.
Yeah.
所以你现在可以看穿，就是跟你现在的环境融在一起，就是按拿，就是你可以看到周边环境，又可以看到虚拟的东西。
Hey everyone, I'm Greg Smith, a product manager.
现在怎么样？
对啊。
Press to. 好，可以买了。买
没
下一代。
学校有。学校有。
Then even WeChat or your application, when you are opening, you can pass with this app. It's reality capture. This one you can download later.
你可以下载这个软体。
Into your PC as well as inside the Quest, you can download this one. Just official video.
是 for
Over here.
so you need the software.
Okay, this one already done. Anyway, here you have to select the STC. Okay, this one. This one is better, faster, because I know some computers already very slow. You didn't accept compression to the STC.
所以给他写那个 ASTS DC 会比较快。
I hope now your device already connected to the database harbor. Okay, then you can find your device.
如果你把它插着，你会看到你的装置。
How? Then next go to the our player settings. Okay, here player settings. Where? First this one is ASTC for the text compression. Runtime run device you select your one. Okay, and then go to player settings. Okay,
到那个 play setting。
And then now we are already in the Android here. Okay, Android. If you want to put in the first game, okay, maybe paste, okay, company name, okay, TNUA, Meta. You just make a TNUA Meta for this
那
one.
个改变你的公司的名称。
And here I earlier also explained several times. Inside the other publication, this one is the other setting, the linear is the most important. We change the linear. Because the graphics, Android doesn't support for gamma because the display is not that much, the needed gamma correction. So linear color space supported.
然后这里要不要改 linear 不要 so you change it to gamma so
No, gamma is not linear.
哦，所以你用 linear 如果已经是 linear 就不要改。
因为我们上次不是设过，
啊？
我们上次好像设了。
If you change early, then you don't need worry.
Okay.
I think the default is linear.
No, before is gamma.
I use the new one. The default is linear.
I have the new maybe, yeah, the Unity maybe.
所以有时候他们会变化，就是我刚刚设新的，它是linear，那你就不用改。
Until it is down, we can back.
你可以连到装置了吗？刚才他说这边可以连。
This one, mixed reality capture tool in the Quest 2, okay?
那个人家不是说
This is a different one I'm talking, okay? Don't confuse guys, okay?
这个不是
These tutorials will show you how to get started with mixed reality capture, calibrate your headset and camera, and set up your capture software. Mixed reality capture, or MRC, enables you to create videos and images of someone embedded in your VR world. The result may look similar to this. This can be recorded as well as live streamed. Here's what you'll need to get started. First, a reasonably powerful PC. A gaming PC is a good bet, along with a camera that shoots at least 1080p and 16:9. Webcams, DSLRs, and even production cameras can work for this. You'll also need a green screen. Make sure it's well lit. Finally, you'll need an Oculus Quest or Rift S. And if you're using a Quest, make sure to have a good 5G router and that your Quest and PC are on the same wireless network.
Yeah, now
If you haven't done so already, download the MRC tool from the link shown. Install the tool in your computer and launch it. When you start up the tool, it will initially check whether there's an update available. If not, click Get Started. Then make sure you review the terms and conditions and click Agree. At this stage,
You
you're
want to
selecting
know Quest 2,
request
okay,
on
don't
the
worry,
desk
this video is
for
older.
tutorial.
Quest 2,
In this
Quest
tutorial, we'll focus on how to calibrate your Quest headset for MRC, although the RIP test process is quite similar. Select Quest and click the Continue button. We'll now connect our Oculus Quest and the mixed reality capture tool so we can calibrate our camera for MRC. If this is your first time using this tool, you'll need to download the MRC app for your Quest. You can do this by clicking on this link, which will take you to Oculus.com. Sign into the account connected with your Quest and download the app. It's free and will automatically show up in your headset. Pop into your Quest and launch the MRC application from your uninstalled apps menu. Once that's launched, go back to the PC setup menu. Click Search for Device, which will check your wireless network to find your Quest.
Now you remember, PC should have this software. Quest also have this mixed reality capture software need to have. Okay, that's why we click here. Then you can download in your Quest. Okay.
那这个是需要 PC 端有软体，然后 Quest 2也要有软体，所以就是两边都要去装。
And PC are on the same wireless network.
If
If you have trouble finding your Quest,
PC and Quest all need to be in the same wireless. Okay.
然后它要在同样的网络里
check
面。
whether this is the reason. If issues persist, you can manually type the IP address of your desired network into the Quest MRC app by selecting Enter a different IP address manually. When your Quest is found, click Calibrate your camera. You have a few options to calibrate your camera.
Then even simple this kind of a webcam you can use for the capture camera. First the Quest is already connected. Then this one is maybe against the green screen. Okay, webcam or good DSLR camera. All this. That's a time for the calibration camera.
So you need a camera for.
Because my view output, because this mixed reality, need to put your view while you are playing. Like a LIV.
Is that use the camera?
I think I'm not sure.
Okay.
You can
然后
create
需要一个摄影机
adjust
去。
the previously
Full
saved
body. If
calibration.
you want to show the
Which
full
will
body,
count for previous calibration.
then you can in
In
front
this
of
video, we'll pick Create a
this is a
new
webcam,
calibration.
current webcam.
Continue.
所以需要一个摄影
Next, we'll
webcam
pick the
去
camera we want to
做
use from the dropdown. If you have multiple cameras connected to your PC, they will show up in this list. If you're using a laptop, make sure you pick the right camera. Sometimes your built-in webcam will show up first in the list. Now we're going to get hands-on. Time for the actual calibration.
Okay.
This is how we
Now we can go back. Okay.
那我们先回来刚刚那个程式。
This one normally, thick photographic, but I suggest this one to half. Okay, this one is Vulkan is still developing. Okay, this one you can put like you can change like this. Okay, don't click this one.
那就是不要用自动的，然后你可以去选择你要用那个
Probably Steven have different setting here. Maybe. New one, new Unity. Okay. And this one also very important, multi-threading. Multi-thread rendering is getting faster result. Okay, this one.
这个多程序你可以去打勾，它本来就是打勾的啦，
Okay.
然后它会加快你的速度。
Okay, multi-thread. Then here you have to select the Android like 29.
这
API
边很
29.
注意，你要选择比较高版本10以上的。
Yeah, 29. And then, but this one is working ARM64, not this chip architecture. Then you have to select this one to IL2C TP. Then you can pick out this one and select this.
这边也要改，就是要先改那个 啊什么 CP。
OK，可以吗 ？Understood？
会的。
对的。
好。
my 就是video download。
好
I have setting last time.
Okay, last time you did it. Okay. Maybe some problem. Okay. Value character has been
那边要选按64，所以你要本来是 model 要先选那个什么 to CPV， 然后才可以选。
Okay. Okay, I hope this done. And here, internet access, you can put a require internet access, but sometimes you put auto. You better put a because the request need to have internet access.
那个网络那边你可以把它本来是自动的，那你可以选择你就是一定要有网络。
If you have some strange name here, probably this one gives the different message. Okay, that's why you better because this one came from the early my the what is it called? Happening here.
那个是一个，就是它的名字会从你的公司名字，然后一直到你计划的名字。
Or letters or something, the strange character. Internet, and then I think almost all okay.
应该大部分都可以。
Yeah, and the other thing is we can check the quality. Before quality, wait a moment. The settings. Okay, then you can go to the extra plugin manager. This one you can install.
然后是啊，那边我要安装。
And then this one is to show the don't me ask again. Okay, this one you should delete the SDK file.
那
Okay.
你会跑出这个，它要清理你的 SDK 档，那我们还是不要让它清。
And here you can make Oculus.
这边把 Oculus 打开。
Until we download, let's go back.
Help the MRC tool understand where your physical camera is in relation to your headset. Hold your headset in your left hand and hold your right hand controller out in front of you. To calibrate, you're going to match your controller as closely as possible to the blue on your computer screen.
Oh,
And
I
pull the
see.
trigger once the controllers are closely overlapped. If you press to see the controller,
Yeah.
the lights on the screen will appear blue.
那就是用遥控器的大小，然后你去侦测一个距离，所以很多个人就知道你的距离跟他怎么对应。
It can take some practice to get the position right.
所以有时候大小你要去
You'll be able to adjust
Right,
the next
yeah.
screen. Here's a couple tips. First, you want to make sure your Quest stays on during calibration. If it seems to turn off, either place it on your forehead or place your finger or a piece of tape on the sensor between the lenses. This will make sure it doesn't
always
You can also go to your Quest device settings and adjust the amount of time it takes for your headset
所以
to
你要用你的 Quest 2的摄影机去看你
If
的
you're going to try
Now,
extra
come
hard on any of the controller benches, make sure it's the first two. They are the most important for proper calibration. This next screen is where you tweak the calibration to ensure the virtual controller in VR matches the one in real life as closely as possible. On the screen, you'll see a blue virtual controller move as you move your controllers in real life. If things are a little off, that's a
Yeah.
Okay. You can adjust the calibration either with the sliders in the tool or using button combinations on the controller itself. Check the screen for the controller button icons. Think back to the 10 controller positions you clicked
This is
during
a FOV
calibration.
controlling.
The first two were the
Sometimes if you have
horizontal
some
field,
problem, you can change
the next four were
quick
for
with the
translation, and the last four were for
horizontal
rotation.
FOV. Okay.
If any of the position matches you made seem particularly off, you want to focus there.
所以就
In
是在
general, you want to adjust the
就是你的
horizontal
摇杆位置，如果后来真的出来不太一样，你还可以微调，
You don't need to adjust
去让它对在一样的地方。
When you feel good about it, click Save to Headset. We're getting close. Now that the camera is calibrated, we want to make sure your PC can receive the video from your Quest and create the MRC video. We use Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS, to do this.
所以现在可能要用 OBS 去
The
做
tool。will check and allow you to easily install it.
YouTube is OBS masters.
Once it's
有
installed,
两个 OBS 都厉害，
to install the
可以
MRC
说
plugin.
摇跑路。
The tool will handle it. Finally, you'll want to click Generate OBS Scene Collection. Basically, this is a bunch of capture layers that will do the heavy lifting to generate the MRC video. Once you click that button, save it somewhere you remember on your computer. Now click Finish.
这样子就是完成了一个设定。
This is in how to make it inside the
然后再来就是 OBS 要怎么设定呢？
If you this one is a TP Oculus is okay, complete, then go to the PC mode, also Oculus tick. If you do the PC mode, I mean Android mode, Oculus is okay, then tick.
哦，
Then
你如果 PC 你也想要用 Oculus，你可以选。
also can make. Then after making this one, you can go back to here and setting for the Oculus, okay? This one, okay,
然
then
后就选
Oculus
Oculus。
setting. And this one, maybe you can say that a Quest 2 or Quest 1 and 2 both target type supported, okay?
So no need.
Then you can keep both. Okay?
Okay.
And here, sometimes you can put a single pass. Okay, single pass is okay. Single pass instead. This one is you can do multi-pass.
就是 single pass。
This two is okay. Then sometimes maybe the have a new maybe Unity you have like advanced or something. But this version don't have, don't worry. Okay. And then after do this one, then you can go back to quality. Quality inside here, one light ray, 1 pixel light ray count for the 3 pixel. You can change this one to the light 1. This quality is good. 1 pixel count 1 light. Okay. Favor.
One
Quality.
oh.
1 pixel light count 1.
看
Otherwise,
可以把它设的比较。
otherwise one light ray count the 4 pixel. That is resolution is less.
必须要在 count 里如果设1的话，会比较效能，品质会比较好。
And this one, sampling, multi-sampling, you can put like a 4 multi-sampling. Then and aliasing don't have that much issue.
NTL 也是设人4就可以了，不用很多。
And then this one, anisotropic, you can make like a per texture. Sometimes fourth one, like just per texture, you can change. Others, all okay. Here, resolution shadow count, this one, all okay. Then the settings all done. Okay, now what we did, first one is this one ocular stick, this one ocular stick, and oculus in here for the PC single pass, instant, this one multiplier pass, and inside here player settings we already said that linear, and also change the graphics to linear, and then the OpenGL, okay, and then change the here API level for 29, okay, and this one IL2 CPP and standard, and then this one takes the 64. Yeah, that's a whole thing. Okay. After that, the project is ready, but I don't have a device yet.
那这边设定好就可以关掉。
Then you can find samples here. Okay. The first one is sample. You can make like a interaction sample. Interaction SDK sample. You can find sample SDK. Inside sample scene, you can find the maybe scenes inside. Inside the scene, you can find the examples or feature. Okay. Both have like example. You can make like hand grab. This one is a hand grab example. This one is a hand grab use example. Two kind of okay. 4. This earlier last time you did with that this one. I'm just going to make like a hand grab. Unity this one. Okay. If I double click this, he asks me because this exercise has a texture somewhere. Text next to it. That's why he asked this one. Okay. Then you can see
找一个 sample， 然后去把它捞进来，然后他会问你要不要 input， 就写要，然后就好了。
And I explained last time this more, maybe like the detail like this you can change. That's why this information needed to I mean the icons are too big. You can go to here, this one, you can make it, or you can pick out and it just appears. See, that means the text here. That's why previous message came us even when we click on text, he asked some text mesh. This is because the text mesh like a mesh, okay. And then the
那
other
个
thing.
标志很大，一个把它选小一点。
Now you this last time also you saw this example, okay? But this time I'm going to teach you what is the main important thing. This is the same, contents. These are all contents, total plant and this one. This all is Unity content, okay? We can already we can make different types of Unity content. But most important thing is this OBR camera rig. Okay, OBR camera rig means you can find inside, see our hand. or maybe the controller, two controller and headset. OBR control, OBR camera rig inside have 4 items, 5 items. Right hand, left hand controller, left hand controller, and headset. Headset is a camera, okay?
有看到在那个OVR 摄影机里面，它会有手啊跟那个眼睛就是头盔，然后有左眼右眼。
Then inside, guys, you can see OBR camera rig. Now this one is the OBR camera rig. This one control our OBR. OBR camera inside have OBR manager. Okay. This was OBR manager. OBR manager when we drag and drop into OBR is automatically these all components we have. Okay.
在 OBR 里面，就是它其实已经把你设定好了，所以你只是去了解一下里面有什么东西。
And also OBR manager inside the tracking area. Okay.
这是在追踪的部分。
Tracking area already we have inside this one for the tracking area, and this one we can make like a eye level, because area we can set up as a stage or eye level or floor level. Then when we the calibrating the oculus quest for floor and the boundary, we already set up the floor. That floor and this floor is going to Unity floor. It will match with the device floor.
所以就是说，在我们一开始在设定规则图，我们就会设定我们的安全区域，然后那个就有地板，然后这边也有叫做 tracking 的，它到底在 tracking 我们哪里？就是因为地板，就是那个地板要跟这边地板要一样。
Okay, then this one is floor level, and inside here, typically it's a controller only. Okay, if you are going to use a hand, you need to select the hand. Okay, but your handphone, you need to connect the app. Okay, you need to connect inside your handphone, or your device inside the device. You should select the hand tracking enable.
所以你这边它是选择你是用控制器还是用手势，那你可以两个都选起来。那不过你的那个头盔里面也要确定说你有把那个手势的功能也打开。
Maybe here, the press the 2 and the tracking enable. Inside the quest, settings, hand control, but I would like to have a picture here.
这里面它有可以设定的，那你要确定你有把手势设定有打开。
这个 here. Device. Okay, inside the setting, device, you can find the hand tracking controller. If you wear, okay, after wearing, you can find inside, first, you can find the setting, the device, and you can make that controllers, and here, enable the hand controller, use auto switch between the hand and controller, okay. Hand tracking enable.
这个是本来它就有设定是可以用，如果你可以再 check 一下它到底。
The here one is a little bit older one. This is a new one. Hand tracking enable, and then you can make like enable the auto enable hand. Auto skip if you don't have the hand controller, then you can just swap or switch to the hand. If you don't use the hand, then it will use the controller. Okay, this one you need to already enable. Okay, understand?
所以你要去确定说那边是有打开的。
You can find that by yourself inside. Did you go to your Quest right now? Go inside to Quest.
Go to Quest 吗
看到
Go to Quest. 没关系
有没有弄到？哎，那这个。
这是我的那个。Settings, settings device 有吗？
啊，设定里面。
我的画面是没有。
没有，你要重新设安全区域。
I need to reset the border.
对你的。
I think now you okay.
It's okay.
I didn't change because I let you to change it.
Okay.
Okay, then use the Oculus button.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, then you can go
Let me see. Setting.
setting.
Device.
Just go to the setting, find the setting.
Setting. Setting.
有吗？ Done.
定。
How much? He doesn't have a device, maybe 2x2 is okay? found了吗？有吗？
一堆啊，长得不太一样。身体有个动作，动作追踪。嗯。
The green button. And then you can find the Oculus one.
所以中，它是中文，对，它是中文。头戴式装置追踪，就是这个。诶。
You enable
Hand tracking? Okay. Hard? Cannot find?
它怎么长得不太一样
Some screen maybe change, you know.
？Yes, the
Maybe you know
screen.
Chinese and English.
The screen is changed. Oh,
Change.
I see.
Okay.
近在眼前，太笨了吧？
Okay.
然后放在安全的地方。
Now this one weekly change.
Yeah.
Weekly change. That's why Mark Zuckerberg lost the
Okay.
you know the money. You know
Okay.
the share market is really dropped.
看看手掌。
The biggest problem is a user account. Have the Facebook account, Oculus account, Meta Quest account, and also have the Meta Quest developer account. All need to have the same email. Otherwise,
所有的
conflict.
账号都要一样，然后要不然就很难去处理。
then everything the same. If a device belongs to someone else,
is also problem. You need to be the device owner. Okay, done?
Okay, it can work.
Right. After making this one, you can just use the hand controller here and the hand tracking version. Hand tracking have version 2. Okay. The last time you remember we used the spray gun. Spray. It's a little bit,
Yeah.
oscillating and lag.
传录器呢
Version 2 is better.
？Version 2。
所以那个版本你最好是改第2版本。
Okay, hand tracking version 2 is okay. Then you, I'm not sure about your PC. If this one is a problem, you do this and then you go to this one. Okay. One. Okay. And then when we are the build and then checking through your device, sometimes maybe have a very strange shape. Sometimes it will have, okay? No Android device connected is okay. I don't have. And here, in case if you happen something happen, OVR tool inside, OVR plugin utility, please change to this one. Set OVR legacy, plug into legacy. After, not now.
Oh, not now. Okay.
If your device is okay, because it depends on the internet and also graphics. Okay, you just check it by yourself.
So you would have a problem.
Yeah, version 2 have a problem, then change to this legacy.
So you no problem then.
No need to change.
所以你看你就是说，如果你现在发生问题的话，你就改成它原来的这个方式。那如果可以的话，就用 OpenX 啊，是它比较推荐。
好 hurry up. Done?
Maybe.
Okay, we compile already. Build and run.
Build and run.
那你要选择你那个
没有啦。
你的装置有选起来。
File.
File.
Build and run. No, build and run. Okay, this is also correct. Yeah.
This
Okay.
one?
Yeah, I hope. The device. Where's the device? Device no connected.
然后就把装置连上去，然后它会
Meta Quest Developer Hub bottom. Device Manager.
你的装置不是，你
有啊
要连到后面去。
哦，要连后面。
就是you
要插后
should
面。
use
，Fake
谢谢
fake not fake just speed you know 就你要跟那个显卡要接一样的。It's depend on your HPGA card.
I don't know this one download. Yeah, because
更新
新
版本
的啦，新的版本，fix some bugs.
这边应该可以选。
等一下，ちょっと待って。
Because we have two devices, so have to choose
Which one is right?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe use
没有等它下载了。
okay.
那你应该会跑出让你选择啊。
哦，有。
也还有多余的包。
允许。
我不知道在干嘛。
是不是很奇怪？
And also need to enable the developer mode.
Yeah, we have a save.
Enable.
Okay.
Okay.
We have a save from.
Okay.
Then
等一下，没有了。
Refresh. No.
Okay. 好。
是不是这边要重整，然后你就可以找到，
Okay, then build and run.
然后就剪
Make a name.
取一个名字。
Yeah, buddy.
One they call a new scene, new scene. This is just exactly new scene, okay? And this camera is a normal Unity camera, okay?
那你设定一个新的那个场景的时候，它就是会有一些摄影机会在上面。
Yeah, and if you would like to use the OVR, okay, normally you can find the inside the interaction SDK. Okay, here Oculus. You can find the interaction.
你要在 Oculus 里面去找。
And you have to find the prefab folder. Okay.
In the sample
Sample.
system review.
Wait a moment. Just samples feedback. Okay. Here, Oculus. Okay. Samples.
Sample.
Inside have prefab. Inside prefab you can have the, here, Oculus interaction sample rate, interaction OVR basics, interaction with OVR full surface. These all are prefab for the OVR camera. Okay, these are all OVR camera prefab.
这些他们都是可以当做那个摄影机。
And you can go to the object scene and the props. Feedback has an interaction.
The VR, Oculus VR have the
Yeah, here they change. They change the change. Okay.
就在那个 VR，你先找 Oculus， 然后 VR。
And then here have the OVR camera rate. Okay, this one you can drag and drop into here. Okay.
要把那个
Okay, this is any scene you can make. Okay, inside this camera now don't need anymore. Okay, delete it.
然后把原来的摄影机删除。
And then inside have this OVR tracking. Now you can see that this one is the camera rate. Okay, and similarly, this one is the flow level. Okay, and this is the reach connector. Okay, and then if you have going to make a grabbable, then you need a controller and hand. This one low. Okay, this one. Now you understood this is the inside scene, but the content you need. Okay. If you would like to put some content inside, probably you can find like some samples in here, or maybe the. I remember it was inside the interaction environments and okay room sample. This is room sample. This one. Sample room environment, okay, this one. You can put here or here, okay. This is a scene.
那个就刚刚选摄影机嘛，那你可以再去身后那边去选择，就是他们已经有预制好的那个身后有房间的环境，你可以直接拉过，这样你都可以不用重做那个一些场景。
This one you can do 0. 0, 0, okay. Then you have the scene inside. Okay. Camera rig also, if you would like to make this one, you can put the 0, 0, okay.
你摄影机的，因为你拉进来，可能它的坐标不对，那你可以把它改成000。
If you drag to here, it will load to 0, 0.
你如果直接抓是在0的位置。
Okay, I delete it, okay. If I drag in here, via inside we have prefab, okay, OVR, camera rig, if I drop to here, it will be 0, 0.
那你直接抓到滑雪下面，它是000的。
Okay, now you can see that this is a OVR camera is already we can make a foot level. Okay.
Okay.
We don't have any object interact, but the VR is now setting. Okay, because now Oculus, the headset set up, but this one we need to set up next week. Like what kind of a hand grab do we need to do, or maybe do we need a controller to use or hand to use it? Okay, we can work next week. But now is ready for this scene. You can see in the Oculus. You go to similarly, and then maybe the shifting into the Android. Okay, player settings all similar like the last time. Okay, because project setting is similar. I only change a different scene, but this scene I need to add into this one sample scene. Okay, sample scene you just build and see, then you can find the same scene but nothing.
这样是因为你现在会重新建立，然后因为刚刚设定都没有变的话，你这样进到那个你的 Creator Tool， 你会看到一样的场景，只是没有那些其他的元件，这就代表你建立的东西是对的。
Then if you compile this one, you can see this environment. You can see, but no interaction.
虽然只是没互动，可是你整个环境
No controller, no hand. Okay.
环境是可以设定起来。
And here probably settings. This one, probably this one you should select. Okay,
no need to change.
No need to change anything. Okay.
所以刚才的计划，刚才的花节是可以的，你现在就不需要改，你就是设定一个新的。
Now you can understand the first thing is OVR camera rig is very important.
所以说那个 VR 摄影机那个是很重要，是可以让你在 VR 里面互动。
Then OVR prefab we have. Okay, this one hand. This one we will study next week. Like this one we can drag and go into the OVR and this one. See OVR and prefab. Okay, here. And this another OVR and prefab for the right hand. Where's the right hand?
它有一些 OVR 的一些手，你可以把它拉进来。
Okay, here, right hand. Okay, this one. Then we change to the what are the hand we are going to do. Okay. Then the hand controller also set up. Then we can see the hand. Okay. Then we can apply the other stuff next week. Okay. Now almost.
甚至可以去改变你的手 手的变化，所以我们下次再继续讲这一块。
OK。
Now, next time, don't forget these basic stuff. Okay.
下礼拜不要忘了都是基本，
I-
因为你要先把它
But
建立起来。
her one didn't say.
No?
Didn't compile is okay.
已经做好了。
Highway. This is the only
所以
one.
你们这一个你们
Can you compile?
一定要做完，然后才可以，对，才可以去用。
Because he already tried and also he had all the added the object, different object and capable also to go ahead. Because remember last semester part.
那你现在要继续用的话，你可以借他的。
Huh? Okay.
你
Then Jayo, next week when you come, this one just keep your mind and think about something to small sumiki.
就是小的积木，就是你要去思
We
考，你要
can
做
we can just do with like a small cone cube is okay. Don't need a very the complex stuff.
So they need to build it.
Think idea.
你就去想你要用什么去堆那个积木就好。就是下礼拜来是要先想这个。
Something shape you can think shape from unity.
你就想说你要组成什么样子的形状。
Very small thing is okay. No need to make content. Okay. Like a tiny
有一些小的东西就好，不用想到很大的东西，
basic.
不要很多东西。
Like this. Okay. Then you can load the picture side. Object is randomized always. After finish the game, then maybe it will be randomized. Then how many times count? First we try to make the how to say arrange. The next time we can add the timer. And then layer next level. How to go level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay. First level we will try to finish next week.
一开始我们就是想要做出能够堆积木的，然后再我们会再设定时间，多少时间它完成啊，然后这些都一步一步去把它建起来。
And idea smaller one, and then Monday 8 o'clock.
礼拜一8点可以。
好啊。
Okay.